Guys, I want to see too from uklocksport.co.uk. Got a parcel through the post today from Bosnianbill. Thank you so much, my friend. I've not opened this yet, so I'm unsure what's inside it. It is jingling quite a bit. I thought I'd also use this little penknife to open the package to show Jay Murdy, who's done a couple of videos on sort of knives. This is handmade. If I can just balance it there. So handmade, it's Sheffield steel. You're probably not going to see this, but literally on that top part of the blade there. Autofocus won't allow it, but it's Sheffield steel. The maker, Pat Mitchell, and it actually says underneath handmade. It's a beautiful, beautiful knife. So let's get this package open, see what's inside. All sorts of bits and pieces. Let's pop that to one side a bit. Baldwin, I think I saw your video on this bill. Keys are actually wrapped in tin foil, so I can't take those out to show you. So lovely look, I enjoy having a little play with that. Move my knife to one side before I cut myself. U change. Probably can't see that. So U dash change. Oscar Kilo Charlie dash 5 underneath. Keep those keys to that side actually, so I know what I'm doing. What's this one? It's an American lock. Very heavy. Yes, American lock. Series S3600. Weighs an absolute ton. So thank you for that, my friend. Keep that there. The best. Never ever picked one of these before. Lovely lock. It seems to have a bit of age on it, so I think once I've had a play with that, I will bob it up with my padlock collection. What's this? Interesting. Oh wow! Computer pick. HPC. So they're the sort of generated type picks. Oh, I'm gonna love playing with those. That is fantastic, Bill. It really is, mate. Look forward to playing there. Right, let's... keys in the bottom, there for the best lock. Yes. So I'll keep those in there. And last but not least, pack lock with keys inside. Number 103. So that's a Pacific lock. Thank you so much, Bill, my friend. Fantastic gifts. Really, really fantastic. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, even though this is not a lock picking video, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and play it legal. Again, thank you so much, Bill, my friend.